In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fill out credit applications and loan applications and how to get more approvals by doing it the right way. And if you don't know already, you could take out a loan, guys. You could use your credit to benefit you and you can invest in your business. You could say you take out $20,000. You could then flip that $20,000 and make that into 40 by investing into your business. And then you can simply pay the minimum on this $20,000 loan. So now you're paying about $300 to $400 a month, but you're making $1,000 a month off of your investment. This is how the rich get richer, guys. They are using their credit, they're using loans, they're using business loans, and then they're using all that capital, all that liquid that they're making, and they're pouring it back into their business, and they're paying the minimum on these loans each month. And to do this, just keep watching this video. I'm gonna show you exactly how to start getting approved for more credit applications and more loans. Guys, this video is for education purposes only. I'm not suggesting you to go out and get a $20,000 loan to try to invest, and then when your investment goes wrong, now you're looking at me to blame for your $20,000 debt. But it is totally possible that you can capitalize off of free money given to you from the bank, guys. Pay the minimum each month and use the $20,000 in liquid to invest and make more money, make $1,000 to even $5,000 each month, depending what you want to invest in. Let me just give you a quick example. For instance, I'm in the trucking industry. I do rent out trucks, and I did used to go over the road each week and drive a box truck. In the box truck industry, you can make $1,000 a day to even $1,800 in just one single day in 24 hours if you driving all day. But making $1,000 a day, that means you can make up to $5,000 to $6,000 a week. Even if you're renting, you can still profit $3,000 in profit. So now I'm making $3,000 a week. I use $20,000 to start investing into this business. You know, now I could have money to buy my own box truck, so I won't have to rent out. Now I'm only paying $1,000 a month for this truck, and I'm only paying $300 a month on the loan. So I'm making my money more than 6 times over each week of what I have to pay back per month. So this doesn't even affect me, and you could find a way that your loan, guys, that your credit can help you out in your business. But let's get right over here into the laptop, and I'm going to show you exactly how and what to put on your application so that you will get more approvals. Alright guys, so you can see we have Wells Fargo pulled up. This is Wells Fargo Bank, and if I scroll up anymore, you're gonna see all my personal information. So we're not gonna scroll up, but this is the bread and butter. This is what you guys need to pay attention to. This is what you need to know, and these are the steps you need to follow to start making, you know, good credit card applications, good loan applications, so that you can get approved for this money. So the first thing is the housing status. What you want to do is you want to either press live with parents, or you want to press rent, or you want to press own, guys. So the best thing to do is press live with parents, or you can press own. So if you own, more than likely you're gonna have a cheaper rent, guys. More than likely your mortgage is not gonna be that expensive, such as renting. So you don't really want to put renting. You either want to put live with parents, live with relatives, or own, because dorm and rent is more expensive than all of those. So if you're owning, guys, now what you could do is you could put the amount of rent that you pay between all of your members, guys. So monthly mortgage or rent payment, and say you have 4 people that live in your house, guys. Your rent is $1,600. 1,600 divided by 4 is $400. So you can put $400 for your rent payment, or whatever you want to put. You can put $600. You can even put $0, because if you own, or if you are staying with your parent, guys, or your relatives, you could be paying $0 in rent. But you want to make sure that this is below $1,000. And then your employment status, never, guys, this is the big thing right here. Put self-employed. All right, never put self-employed or unemployed. Okay, banks don't like to see that. They do not like to see that, because, you know, a lot of self-employed businesses are failures. You know what I mean? They're not making that much money yet, and they don't trust them. So what you want to do is you want to put employed, and once you put employed, under occupation, you want to put CEO, you want to put manager, you want to put executive, if you want to put boss. You know what I mean? You want to make sure that you are in a higher status, okay, so that they know that you're going to be holding down that job for a long period of time. All right, and you could just, you know, put one of these, put executive if you want to. And guys, you know, this is the easy way that you could get approved for loans. And then another thing is, you know, your business employer name and all of that, and then your total annual income. Now this is a big one as well. For your total annual income, this is your projected income. This can be what you're projected to make for that year. So let's just say right now I'm making $20,000 a year. Let's just say we're making 20, but this year we are projected to make $40,000. So we're gonna put $40,000, and you know, they're not a fact checker on this website, on these loan applications, on these credit applications. They're not gonna check and see what job you're working, call your boss and see how much you're making. No, they're just gonna take your word for it. So put your projected income, guys, and then check all the boxes that's optional to you and that applies to you. And then, guys, for these credit cards on Wells Fargo, since we are over Wells Fargo, man, you do get $200 cash back in rewards. And guys, these rewards do add up, okay? You can spend this money, you can spend this free money that they're already giving you, okay, with this credit card. Since we are on a credit card application right now, you can spend this free money, man, and then at the end of it, you pay this back on time. You always do your payments on time or early, and you can start getting, you know, $200 back every couple of months, okay, because you've built up those points, you've built up those cash rewards, and you can get $200 back probably every 4 months or so, depending on how much you spend money. Like if you're spending $10,000, $20,000 a month, if you are a big dog like that, then yes, you can get $400 a month in cash rewards, guys. And then there is interest rates with these credit cards as well, so you do have to watch out for that. This isn't completely free money. Disclaimer, you do have to pay this money back, and make sure you pay it back early. But like I said, man, you want to use your credit to your benefit, all right? You want to make sure that you are using it to your benefit, that you're using it to invest in assets, you're using it to invest in something, and it'll bring you back more money in return than what you're paying each month. Even if it's only $100 extra, guys, you just want to make sure that it's paying you back more. It's not a dead investment. It's paying you back more. You're getting some type of benefit from it every single month. And another key way to boost your credit fast is once you get this credit card application filled out, guys, the key way to, you know, keep good credit is not to be filling out too many credit card applications, all right? The main thing the banks look at for determining your credit is how many applications you filled out in the last year, how much debt you have, how much of a limit you have compared to that debt. This is called the debt to income ratio. So you want to make sure that is low. And how do you do that? You want to make sure that your debt to income ratio is under 30%. So whatever you do, say you have a $100 credit limit, okay? So you have one credit card and you have a $100 credit limit. You don't want to make sure that you spend any more than $30. So what you would do for that month is spend $30, you know, probably a tank of gas, and then boom, pay it back off. And even you can pay it back off after the first day or the second day, the first week, and then you can use that $30 again and pay it off. And what this is calling is like double down, okay? You're washing and repeating, and you're paying this money off. So now you have two payments going each month, and you're keeping it under 30%, and your credit is gonna go up sky high. But you just want to make sure that whatever you do, your credit is always under 30%, no matter how much of a credit limit you have. And you want to make sure that you're doing online payments, on-time payments. And to boost your credit even more, you want to make sure that you are paying twice a month, okay, guys? You know, double payments will make it look so good that you're using your credit card as a debit card. That is the key thing here. Use your credit as a debit card. As soon as you spend the money, just pay the money back off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to get approved for more credit applications, more loan applications, and how to make money by leveraging your credit, how to make money investing in a business. And if you don't know what business is to start, man, you're in the right place. We do have many videos, online businesses, how to start getting into this trucking industry. And don't forget to check out the Calendly link in the description on how to start this online business, on how to start a trucking business, and even how to boost your credit fast. Schedule a coaching call with me. It's only $10 for a 10 to 30 minute conversation, and I will answer all your questions in any niche that you need. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make money the easy way, man, and I will teach you the best ways and the easiest ways to make money over on the coaching call. Also, check out the ebooks and the YouTube memberships. A lot of information going out because this is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy. My name is KINGLATTA. I'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo!